What is underbooking, and how do I avoid it? Examples of underbooking. Upon our arrival, if you did not completely and adequately inform us of all the information listed above ahead of time, then you have most likely underbooked your moving services. I.e., if you have scheduled only 2 hours with 2 movers and a small truck, but your home is 3 bedrooms or more, or about half or more of your articles need to be moved over several flights of stairs, you are most likely underbooking. Our estimators use move estimating technology that provides database estimates to derive how long a move of similar size might take. This estimate is for your convenience only and is non-binding. We are an hourly moving service, and you will be billed for the amount of time that your move actually takes. We do our best to schedule the appropriate moving help you need. We would never undersell you services, as that would certainly cause a disaster for everyone. Also, we do our best to help you design the most economic moving plan possible. Ultimately, our services are customizable, and we tailor to fit your needs and requests. Our advice and quotes are only as good as the information our customers provide. Incomplete, non-specific, or inaccurate information often results in an underbooking. Additionally, certain requests made of the movers could slow the moving process down significantly, causing an underbooking. Be sure to call us ahead of time with any changes to your moving plan. We absolutely understand that you do not have a crystal ball and are not able to predict the future, and that some circumstances can occur beyond your knowledge or control. Thus, we are happy to work with you to get you through the moving process in the event of an underbooking. To learn more, visit collegedudeshelpyoumove.com or give us a call. 704-266-1393. 704-266-1393. We look forward to helping make your move stress-free.